Hey guys, in today's video we're going to take a look at this magnetic soldering holding kit that I was sent out to review. I do a lot of soldering around the studio, having to repair things, so having one of these could come in really handy. I've been just kind of free-handing it, so hopefully this product is going to eliminate some of those issues. All right, let's see what we get in the box. So we get a variety of different clips, and these are going to be your standard kind of alligator clips, so those come in really nice. You get looks to be 5 of those. You also receive this 3M blocks, which is really nice. Here are 2 of your magnetic holders. You also get these little magnetic holders. These are a different type of base holders. As you guys see, these are magnetic. You get 4 of those in the bundle. All right, really nice. Super strong little magnets. I like that. Now this is a longer version of the original holders, or the first holders that we looked at. And let me get one of these out of the plastic so I can show you guys what this looks like. So that's going to be this guy here, also with the included magnet. And you get 2 of those. And then we also receive our very heavy weighted base plate. This is what everything is going to attach to. You can take these and magnetically connect them to the base plate like so. Then you have these shorter ones that you can also connect to the base plate. These magnets are super strong, guys. And then you can also connect this to the base plate like so. And this is going to allow you to be able to clamp things and lock things in. That's where your little clamps are going to come into play. So let's go ahead and separate these guys real quick. Let me grab a clamp just to show you what I mean. So the little clamps here can go in like so, and you'll be able to clip things and pretty much hold them in place. This has a similar type of operation where you just lay them right inside of this little line here, and you can set those up like so, depending on where you need your piece to be placed. And then that's going to give you a lot of control when it comes time to have to solder, you know, those delicate little wires and things like that. So I think this is an outstanding little rig. If you're doing some hand soldering and stuff like that, I think this might be something you guys definitely want to take a look at. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. Just want to do a quick unboxing video to show you guys this little base and some of the accessories that come with it. So you get these little screws also, and what these screws do is allow you to lock these guys in place once you place them in. So all of that comes in your box. So definitely take a look at this. If you're doing some soldering, I think this might be something that might be an excellent product for you to have in your home office or studio. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.